New member of Fourier GR-X robot series. GR-2 integrated wiring design for power and communication transmission allows for hidden wiring and more compact packaging. New joint configuration improves debugging, reduces manufacturing costs and increases the robot's ability to transition from AI simulation to real-world applications. GR-2 offers 12 2F dexterous hands with twice the dexterity of previous models. Designed to reflect the flexibility of human physiology, these hands seamlessly adapt to complex tasks with greater precision. Equipped with 7 different types of FSA actuators. Each is designed to meet the specific torque demands of each joint, allowing GR-2 to navigate complex tasks with greater flexibility. Pushing the boundaries of agility, precision and perception by prioritizing reliable solutions over complexity. Equipped with 6 array-type tactile sensors, GR-2 can detect force, identify object shapes and materials, and adjust its grip in real time for optimal manipulation in dynamic environments. With peak torques exceeding 380 Nm, FSA 2.0 enhances GR-2's agility and dynamic capabilities. The dual encoder system doubles control accuracy, enabling precise movements even in high-pressure environments. Fourier prioritizes the developer's experience. The upgraded software development kit gives developers easy access to a robust suite of pre-optimized modules via intuitive APIs. The platform supports frameworks such as NVIDIA Isaac Lab, ROS, and Majoko.